Hello from the food forest, from the youngest one here. I call it the number 3 food forest. So this is exactly what I was talking about when introducing the freshly planted fruit trees in my last video. So you can clearly see the difference after a good rain. We just had a good rain yesterday, and now you can see how nicely the water collected in the trenches. And the fruit trees, the roots, they are not waterlogged, which could really end very badly if they would be sitting in water, and that would be highly likely possible if we didn't do the trenches, if we didn't put them on a higher ground. So for those who didn't watch my last video, this is simply the topsoil taken from here, moved to the areas, creating kind of rows where we plant the fruit trees. Very simple system, very useful, very effective for flat areas. And while I'm here, I show you my young longan I just recently planted. It was yesterday planted in the morning, and then we had the huge rain. So the young longan, protecting it with a net for now. So and the water goes up to the dam down there when it's too much. So working really well. And it is definitely worth the work, the prep work, because your life is much easier later. So the water will stay there for a while, and the roots are still small of the trees, but later on when the trees mature, they can benefit from the water in the trenches as they want, as they need. Like here in already established part of the same food forest, ignore the cassavas. I just recently, yesterday, before the rain, I harvested and have taken the entire plant because I needed to free the persimmon that they were growing nearby too close. So you can see here the persimmon and still in the cage. So the water trenches working very well. Water sitting there, the plants on both sides benefit, and that's what it's all about. That range is a bit lower. We probably will make it a bit deeper, but again, all working really well. So I hope you liked the video, and I will see you later. Bye bye.